In this video, you'll learn how to create a free website using Webflow. By following these steps, you will successfully set up your own site utilizing Webflow's powerful tools and features. Begin by navigating to the Webflow website. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection, as this will allow for a seamless experience. Once you are on the home page, look for the dashboard option, typically located in the upper right corner. Next, within your dashboard, locate the button labeled New Site. This option is usually prominently displayed, allowing you to easily initiate the site creation process. Once you click on New Site, you will be directed to a new screen where you can choose how to build your website. After that, select the AI Site Builder option. This feature simplifies the website creation process by using artificial intelligence to assist you. Clicking this will lead you to a new interface where you can describe your site. Once this appears, you will see a field labeled Describe Your Site. Here, type in a brief description of your website's purpose. For example, you can write, create an e-commerce website. This description will help the AI understand your needs and tailor the website accordingly. Following this, click on the Enter button to proceed. This action will prompt the AI to begin generating suggestions based on the description you provided. A brief loading animation may appear while the system processes your input. Next, you will encounter a prompt that says, structure your site. This indicates that the AI is ready to help you organize your website. Click on this option to continue shaping your site's layout and sections. After that, you will see an option labeled Generate Site. Selecting this will initiate the generation of your website based on the structure and description you provided. Wait for the system to process this request. A loading indicator may appear during this time. Once the site has been generated, you will receive a message saying, generate more themes. This allows you to explore various design options and themes for your new website. Take a moment to review these themes and select one that resonates with your vision. Then a message will appear prompting you to customize your design. Click on this to access the design tools, where you can adjust colors, fonts, and layouts to match your branding. Next, you will be asked to customize your sections. This step allows you to modify individual sections of your site, ensuring they align with your content and overall website goals. After that, you will see another message that says generate a layout. This feature will help in finalizing the arrangement of your website elements. Click to proceed and wait for the layout to be created. Once this is done, a message stating preparing site will appear. This signifies that Webflow is getting your site ready for review and customization. This step may take a moment, depending on the complexity of your site. Next, you will see a message indicating creating sections. This shows that the platform is building the various sections of your website based on your previous selections. Following this, a message will state drafting content. At this stage, Webflow is populating your site with sample content based on the descriptions you provided earlier. This process may take some time. Afterwards, you will see a message that says finalizing pages. This indicates that the site is close to completion and is preparing all the pages for your review. Finally, you will encounter a message instructing you to wait for it to finish generating. This is the last step, and it may take a few moments for Webflow to complete the process. Once finished, your new website will be ready for you to view and customize further. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.